Hello creative friends! Sharing with you how make transparent invitation. Dito tayo magpiprint sa pet sheet, commonly used to for PVC IDs. Make sure naka-mirror print siya so the final output will come out perfectly clean. Set your printer to high quality for better result. Next, laminate natin using 250 microns laminating film. A4 size lang pala ito at hinati ko lang. One side lang yung laminate. Parang magkapatong lang, ganyan. Hot laminate and 100 yung temp natin sa laminator. Once laminated, cut na natin. Then we run it again through the laminator for a second pass to fully seal the layers together. After that, gently peel the sheet and making sure the layers are well bonded. Ganyan lang kadali gumawa ng transparent invitation. Or technically, translucent talaga siya. Pero since ganito pa rin siya ng unang natutunan at nakasanayan na tawag, yun na rin yung ginagamit ko sa post ko. So don't be afraid to try this technique. Pwede nyo din itong idagdag sa product offers nyo. Especially if gusto nyo ng something modern and unique for your clients. Thank you for watching. I hope may natutunan kayo. Please comment, like, and share. Happy crafting, creative friends!